Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Bitcoin price charts hint at double bottom, relief rally to $10,800 http ntvforex.com news ID 75EBC 1 minutes ago Bitcoin has been clinging to the key $10,000 BTC price level all weekend as technical factors point to a short-term relief rally. Last weekend was incredibly rough for most cryptocurrency investors as massive sell-offs occurred. The price of Bitcoin BTC dipped below $10,000 several times but seems to have found short-term support at this level. NBSP The primary question for the markets is whether a relief rally is around the corner or further downside movement is expected. NBSP Let's take a look at the charts to determine what might happen next. NBSP Crypto Market Daily Performance Snapshot. Source COIN360 Bitcoin clings to $10,000 as a psychological support level BTC USDT 1-day chart. Source TradingView The psychological barrier at $10,000 is currently acting as support, indicating a short-term relief bounce could be on the horizon. A clear breakdown of the $11,200 area triggered a massive sell-off across the markets. NBSP This drop led toward the primary support levels around the CME gap, where $10,000 is a significant support level as well as $9,600. NBSP As the recent market movements were volatile, multiple CME gaps can be seen on the daily chart. BTC USD CME 1-day chart. Source TradingView The daily chart of the CME futures on Bitcoin is now showing two CME gaps. The obvious one, between $9,650 $9,950, is still unfilled. NBSP However, as the markets have been volatile during the weekend, a new CME gap was created above the current price. This one is between $10,450 $10,600 and will likely also be filled in the near term. These Bitcoin futures gaps are significant because the majority of the traders are looking at them as an indicator. Since many traders eye these levels, these gaps tend to get filled most of the time. NBSP As such, they are an additional tool to define support and resistance levels, though they shouldn't be used as the only factor when trading. NBSP lower time frame charts hint at double bottom BTC USDT 2-hour chart. Source TradingView A potential trend reversal is on the horizon, though BTC USD still appears to be on shaky ground. The blue box indicates a new lower low, which was needed to confirm a bullish divergence. However, the market has not shown massive strength since the bounce from below $10,000, reaching only $10,300. This bounce came back toward the support region around the green box, where a potential higher low can now be established. The next step for a potential reversal would be a new higher high above $10,300, which will be further described in the next section. A potential scenario for Bitcoin price A very likely scenario would be a short-term relief rally. There are two possible cases, in which this can occur. The first one can be seen in the chart, where the $10,000 area must hold as support, forming a bottom construction. NBSP The next step after holding the $10,000 area would then be to test $10,600 and $10,800 $11,000. However, an apparent breakthrough of $10,800 $11,000 in one go is very unlikely upon the first attempt. Crucial areas rarely break in one try. Therefore, a rejection should then be expected. NBSP The second case for forming a local bottom involves the $10,000 level failing to hold. NBSP However, the price would then only drop to the CME gap at $9,600, the second level of support. If the price of BTC bounces from the $9,600 area and then regains $10,000, an identical scenario to the one above can then be played out. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.